What if everything you've been told about aging is only half the truth? What if feeling younger, stronger, and sharper after 60 isn't a fantasy, but a biological possibility? And what if the real secrets aren't hidden in expensive clinics or miracle supplements, but in habits so simple that most people overlook them? The surprising truth is that reverse aging is less about turning back time and more about reclaiming the abilities you gradually lost without noticing. The body at 60, 70, even 80 is far more adaptable than most people realize. The real secret is not a magic pill, but a shift. Small, strategic habits that restore energy, rebuild strength, sharpen focus, and slow the biological clock dramatically. So why doesn't everyone talk about this? Because these methods can't be patented. They aren't glamorous. They don't sell as well as anti-aging potions or exotic therapies. Yet they work. Powerfully. Let's pull the curtain back. Have you ever wondered why some people in their 60s look decades younger while others feel themselves slowing down rapidly? The answer almost always begins with one thing: muscle. Not bodybuilder muscle, but functional strength, the kind that lets you get up from a chair with ease, climb stairs without effort, and carry groceries without feeling drained. After 60, muscle becomes the closest thing we have to a fountain of youth. As we age, muscle naturally declines. But when you rebuild it, energy rises, balance improves, metabolism speeds up, and even the brain benefits. Many older adults don't realize the extent to which weakness, not age, is making them feel old. And the moment strength returns, so does youthfulness. But can rebuilding muscle alone reverse aging? It's part of the puzzle, but not all of it. Diet plays a quiet yet powerful role. Ask yourself, are you eating enough protein to support the body you want to maintain? Most people over 60 aren't. They eat less without noticing, losing the raw material the body needs to repair tissue, maintain immunity, and rebuild strength. The secret here isn't a rare superfood. It's simply getting enough high-quality protein spread throughout the day so the body can actually repair itself. Many people think walking daily is enough to keep them young, but is it really? Walking is wonderful, but incomplete. The truly youthful older adults combine movement throughout the day with activities that challenge balance, stretch mobility, and lift the heart rate. Their bodies are constantly reminded that they're still alive, still needed, still capable, and the body responds by staying young. Another hidden factor is sleep, the unglamorous, often ignored cornerstone of regeneration. Have you noticed how much older you feel after a bad night's sleep? That's not your imagination. Sleep clears waste from the brain, repairs cells, regulates hormones, and resets the systems that keep you mentally sharp and physically resilient. When sleep improves, everything improves: memory, energy, skin, mood, decision-making. Good sleep, consistently practiced, acts like internal anti-aging therapy. The brain thrives on novelty, new music, unfamiliar languages, creative projects, purposeful work. These aren't hobbies, they're neurological investments in a younger mind. There's one more truth that almost no one tells you. All of these habits, strength, nutrition, movement, sleep, connection, learning, don't need to be extreme. They just need to be consistent. The real secret to reverse aging is that small daily decisions eventually compound into visible transformation. A few minutes of resistance exercise, a bit more protein at meals, a short stretch before bed, a conversation with a friend, a new skill learned. These create biological momentum. So if you feel older than you want to be, ask yourself, are you truly aging, or are you simply understimulated? The secret to reverse aging after 60 isn't hidden. It's simply not marketed, because it can't be bottled or sold. It's built one small habit at a time by people willing to take ownership of their next decade. Your body still listens, your brain still adapts, your life can still expand. The clock hasn't stopped, you just haven't started turning it to your advantage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.